Alright, so is this angle of depression or elevation? Alright? Well, they didn't really have an angle set up for us. That was my fault. So we're just going to describe what this is. Alright, so here's how it works. If this is the angle we're talking about, right, then we're going to ask, if we draw a line like this, is this angle going down or is this angle going up? So, is this angle going down? It would be depression. Okay? Up would be elevation. So what is this angle doing?
Going down.
Depression.
Going down, depression. What's this angle doing?
Going up.
Going up, elevation. It's that simple. Okay? That's depression and elevation. I mean, come on. Simple. So no matter what, if they talk about this, depression. If they're talking about these, elevation. Okay. Alright? So we just saved 2 weeks. Alright, now, let's go on to problem number 9. And problem number 9 says, find x.
I don't have problem 9.
Right there.
Yeah, we only have 8.
Right there. 8, 9, 10.
8's underneath 9. Or above 8. 9, sorry. 9's underneath 8. Alright, so find x. So that means we gotta find x. I know that this is 40, okay? 40 degrees. Alright? So what do I have? Remember, so, ka, toa. What do we have? So let's look at this 40 degrees and say, okay, what is 24 with respect to the 40 degrees? What is that side? Is that opposite? Is it adjacent? Is it hypotenuse?
Opposite.
You told me 2 different things. Which one?
Opposite.
Why is it opposite?
Because it's not across from a 90-degree angle.
Exactly. Across from a 90-degree angle would be your hypotenuse. Right? But this is opposite of your angle, which would be opposite. So what does that make x? What would we call x then? Adjacent. Okay? It's that simple. We're done. No, I'm just kidding. So, wish. All right. So we go to the next one, and we got to find it. So what are we going to use? We're going to use adjacent and opposite. Which one of these uses adjacent and opposite? Is it so, ka, or toa? Toa. What does toa mean? Tangent of what? The tangent of 40 degrees is equal to what? Opposite 24 over boom. So we did 2 things there. Because we have toa, that's definition of tangent, right? And then we plugged it in. So that's called substitution. Okay? So we did 2 steps there. Now, the fun part begins. How do we solve for x? Well, we have to remember that this is really tangent over this. Okay? So, what we could do is cross multiply and then divide. Okay? I have a little trick that I teach. If x is on bottom, I flip. Okay? I flip it. Okay? And its definition of being a ratio. The definition of being a ratio means that 3/4 is equal to 6/8, right? And also 4/3 is equal to 8/6. See how they flip and they're still the same? That's the definition of a ratio. So therefore, I can flip these. So I have 1 over tangent 40 is equal to x over 24. Now, why would I want x on top? Why do I want the variable on top? What would you do? Opposite, right? To solve, we would do opposite. So instead of cross multiplying and then dividing, all I do is flip and then multiply. Right? So the 24's cancel. And what's 24 times 1? So 24 divided by tangent 40 is equal to x. What did we do? Multiplication property of equality, right? And so what do we do now? Calculator. 24 divided by tangent 40. Make sure it's in degree mode. Equals 28.6. X is equal to 28.6. Okay? So this is 28.6. Alright? Now that's the easy one. That's 9. 9 is the easy one. Okay? I'm going to pause this and then we're going to come to 10. Because actually I want that different.
That's number 5?
Yes. Thank you. That's simplified. Put that up there. Alright, that's simplified.